Hey guys, we're going to walk through the 2023 Apex Nano 201RBS. Look at that huge pass-through storage there on this camper. This camper is 24 feet, 11 inches, only weighs 4,077 pounds dry, so you're a half-ton towable as well as some small SUV towable. Awesome little camper by Apex. They consider it off-grid camping, so you do have a solar panel standard on these. Awesome little camper. Let's take a walk inside. As soon as you walk in, you have your bathroom immediately to your left, so even with the slide in, your bathroom accessible while you're going down the road. Of course, you have a nice little wardrobe there. You can put your TV directly above, and your dinette is in the slide. Also doubles as a bed while you're going down while you're camping. Here you have yourself a nice queen bed with the window directly above it. You have the stargazer ceiling window above it as well, so you can see the stars while you're camping and asleep. Not hitting on all the storage because we're moving a little quick, but hey, plenty of storage in this camper. 12-volt refrigerator. You can also do the 8 cubic foot gas electric if you like. Plenty of counter space there. Moving on back to this little wardrobe we passed. Plenty of storage over here, hanging up all your coats or use it as a little coffee nook. Awesome little wardrobe. Moving on into the bathroom here. Huge corner shower, plenty of room to move around with a skylight over top for all you tall people. Awesome throne there to do your business in. And of course a vanity as well as a sink for you to brush your teeth and wash your hands in. Awesome little camper by Apex here. Thanks for joining us.